Hello, my dear long-term investors and my dear viewers. This is your boy Bhuvi. Today we are going to talk about the Tata Sons. So, what about Tata Sons? Yeah, Tata Sons net debt burden at 8-year low. Tata Sons is a holding company of all Tata Group's companies. So currently its net debt is 5,656 crore. Net debt is nothing but a gross debt minus cash reserves and the cash equivalents that results in a net debt. So as of now, in January 2024, its cash reserves, which is the total cash it's holding right now, is 9,516 crore rupees, which comes around over $1 billion. So let's go to 8 years back. In 8 years ago, in 2015 to 16, Tata Sons had a net debt of 5,132. From that level, it's just now meted the same level. I mean, it's going to meet the same level in the coming future. From March 2017 until March 2023, the figure was averagely above 14,700 crore, and it also went up to 27,437 crore. I mean, this 27,437 crore is gross debt. Sorry, net debt. So as of now, you may ask, what's the gross debt? Gross debt is just 15,173 crore, and at its peak in 2019, it had 31,363 crore as a gross debt. Tata Consultancy Services is spewing 11,000 crore, 10,000 crore for a quarter averagely for the shareholders, while Tata Sons holds more than 60% of share in TCS. That's enough to answer every question about Tata's and their capability to repay the debt. They have the cash cow, and it can spew whatever they need, so they can put into any cash guzzling business like toy uh, toy for a child. And some research analysts says that 11 trillion rupees is the value of the Tata Sons Private Limited, they think, but it has more than 100 company in its pockets, so its pocket is very deep. So we can't justify, or we can't say whether this is the market cap or this will be the market cap. Who may know Tata's is the world's biggest richest family, or they might be the strongest group in the world. So analysts say that the company will try to be a net debt free company in the coming future. Most of his cash was went through, for the purpose to pay off all the debt which was incurred by Tata Teleservices. Once upon a time, you might heard or used Tata Docomo. So it went bankruptcy. So it went for bankruptcy, and the company said, "Hey, don't worry, we'll pay every debt and every debt to, every obligation to government." So it paid everything. It came around 60,000 crore. If it's somebody, or it might be Anil Ambani, they will say, "Sorry boss, I have no paisa, but my brother has paisa, my wife has paisa, and my son has paisa, but my pocket is empty." But he is a man of integrity. He said, "Okay, that's my responsibility. I took the venture and I have to finish it, or I have to make up it." So he stepped in as a man and done everything right with the boldness, and he is the alpha man. So then, in previous year, RBI classified Tata Sons Private Limited as a upper layer non-banking financial company, okay, and said to them it's mandatory to list your company in the bourses. So Tata Sons was owned by Tata Trust at a 66% stake, which is Tata Trust owns 66% stake in the Tata Sons. And the RBI also classified Tata Capital as an upper layer non-banking financial company. It said it's mandatory to list you too. So Tata Capital is also raising fund from external commercial borrowing and also in public bond market. Sorry, that's a private bond market. Tata Sons too bought 1,000 crore worth of bonds in Tata Capital. In my point of view, Tata Sons are not going to listed in the bourses, I mean in the stock market, because Tatas need to control the group at their own will. They won't like to get permission from public to do whatever they want to do. If, as I said, they invested 60,000 crore in a loss-making company. If it is a public company, no one would like to inject that amount of money into the public company. So that's what I say. They have a vision. They have a pockets of. I mean, they have a deep pockets. They would like to whatever they like to do. They don't need to long long for people's hands to get the permission to their will. So in my opinion, they will do some gimmick. At least they will. I mean, they might list Tata Capital, but they won't list Tata Sons because that's their toy. So they won't give it to public hands. Don't don't daydream, guys. So some companies have surged in the talks of Tata Sons IPO. So these are Tata Chemicals, Tata Power, Tata Motors, Indian Hotels. Tata Chemicals has 21,000 worth of stake, while the Tata Chemicals market cap is 27,000, and Tata Power has 14,000 crore worth of stake in Tata Sons, while its market cap is 1,26,551 crore, while Tata Motors has 21,000 worth of Tata Sons stake, while it has 3,39,620 crore of market cap, and Indian Hotels, which has 7,000 crore of Tata Sons stake, while its market cap is around 83,200 crores. So that's it, today's video. I hope it will entertain and informative too. And the last one thing is Tata Sons won't be listed. And that's it. Thank you for watching till last, guys. And do like, share, and subscribe.